Many congratulations to one and all. Good morning. Today on 75th Independence Day, here I would like to share some major events and achievements of our country that happened after independence. 74 years ago on this day, India took baby steps to become one of the largest democracies in the world and overcoming a plethora of challenges to earn global recognition. India has come a long way since independence, leaving behind a string of landmarks that define its journey from the agony of partition to a strong, powerful and developing nation. So here I would like to start with the first achievement. From the very first day of independence, India gave every adult the right to vote. In the United States, the right to vote for every individual was given about 150 years after their independence. Second, Railways network was nationalized in 1951 and was initially divided into three zones. Indian Railways is now one of the world's largest railway networks, comprising of 1,19,630 km of track and 7,216 stations. India took a democratic leap by conducting its first general elections in 1951. India hosted the first ever Asian Games in the year 1951 in New Delhi. India designed and built Asia's first nuclear reactor, named as Apsara, on 4th August 1956. Mother India, the movie directed by Mehboob Khan, was the first Indian movie to be nominated for the Best Foreign Language Film Oscar in 1958. The Green Revolution in India in 1960 saw an increase in the food grain production with the development of high-yielding varieties of wheat and pulses. In 1970, India saw the White Revolution, named as Operation Flood, the world's biggest dairy development program pioneered by Dr. Verghese Kurien. It transformed India from a milk-deficient nation into the world's largest milk producer. India conducted first nuclear test, codenamed as Smiling Buddha, in the year 1974. With this, India broke into the list of 5 nuclear-powered nations. India designed first space satellite in 1975, named it after the astronomer Aryabhatta. In 1983, India, under the captainship of Kapil Dev, defeated West Indies by 43 runs to win its first Cricket World Cup. India sent its first astronaut, Rakesh Sharma, into space in 1984. In a joint mission with Soviet Union. In 1991, Indian economy opened up the door for the free trade by foreign investors, as known as globalization. India conducted a series of 5 nuclear bomb tests in Pokhran, Rajasthan in May 1998 under the codename Operation Shakti. It led to India becoming a full-fledged nuclear state. In 2001, the Vajpayee government launched the Golden Quadrilateral project, the largest highway project in India, connecting the 4 major cities Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. The RTA Act was passed by Parliament in 2005, throwing government departments open to scrutiny and helping people to acquire any information they want from the government officials. India successfully launched Chandrayaan in October 2008 to explore the moon. One of the greatest achievements of Chandrayaan was the discovery of water molecules in the lunar soil. Abhinav Bindra won gold medal in 10-meter air rifle event at 2008 Olympics in Beijing. He became the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games. Parliament passed the RTE bill in 2009, making education a fundamental right of every child and bridged the gap between different classes of society. It requires all the private schools to reserve 25% seats for privileged children. On July 26, in 2009, India launched INS Arihant, the country's first indigenous nuclear submarine and with ballistic missiles with a range of 3,500 kilometers. India hosted the 2010 Commonwealth Games in Delhi. For the first time in the history of Games, India won over 100 medals and stood second after Australia. In 2011, on 2nd April, India lifted the Cricket World Cup for the second time under the captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni by defeating Sri Lanka in the finals. On 5th November 2013, Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO successfully launched Mars Orbiter mission to probe Mars. It is the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit and the first nation in the world to do so in its first attempt. In March 2014, the World Health Organization certified Southeast Asian region, which includes India, a polio-free region. In February 2019, India's first indigenously developed light compact aircraft Tejas recovered the final operational clearance for induction into IAF, Indian Air Force. On 27 March 2019, India successfully conducted Mission Shakti, an anti-satellite missile test that could destroy satellites in space through missiles on the ground. The Government of India on April 2, 2020 launched Arogya Setu app, which is the country's first COVID-19 tracking app. India has now won 7 medals at Tokyo, 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. The young Neeraj has done exceptionally well. Here I would like to present my sincere thanks to our Honorable Director Sir for giving us an opportunity to host this event through online session and for his inspirational words. I am equally thankful to all parents and teachers for making this session successful and for remarking a bond of wonderful coordination. Thank you everyone for staying connected with us. My all good wishes are with you. May our motherland add more light in our everyone's life. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.